Good morning, student. Last class we are completed in chapter 1, reproduction in organism. And these chapters are learned in different types of reproduction in a different organism, like asexual method of reproduction and a sexual method of reproduction, and types of asexual method of reproduction and types of sexual method of reproduction, and parthenogenesis, then classification of animals based on the embryonic development. Then next let's move to chapter 2, human reproduction. In these chapters are learned about in the following content: the human reproductive systems, male and female reproductive system, then gametogenesis. What is gametogenesis? Formations of gametes is called gametogenesis, and menstrual cycle, then fertilization and implantation, maintenance of the pregnancy and embryonic development, partition and lactation. This content we are discuss about in these chapters. The all reproductive systems has a four main functions, is namely production of the gametes, namely ovum and sperm. Sperm and ovums are sperms and egg cells. So formations is the first process or first functions of the reproductive system. Then second process or second functions of the reproductive system is transport and sustain these gametes. The formed gametes is transferred from male to female and maintain the sustainability of the gametes. Third one, so nurtures the developing upsprings, supplying the nourishment to the development of the upsprings or development of the fetus. Then fourth one, produce the hormones, maintains the reproductive systems is normally secretions of hormones. These four functions is a major functions of the reproductive system. Then next, major reproductive events in human being. The reproductive events, the following reproductive events occurs in the human being. First one, gametogenesis, formations of gametes by spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Gametogenesis means formations of gametes. Gametes, say male and female, two types of gametes involving in human reproduction. Male gametes is called sperm, female gametes is called ovum or egg. The formations of male gametes or sperm is called spermatogenesis, and formations of female gametes, egg or ovum, is called oogenesis. Next one, insemination, transfer of sperm by the male into female genitalial tract. Formation of gametes in male is called spermatogenesis. So spermatogenesis is formation of sperm. The newly formed sperm cells transfer to the male into female genitalial tract is called insemination. Next one, fertilization. Third one, fertilization. So fertilization means fusions of male and female gametes to form a zygote is called fertilization. Two different gametes, male and female gametes, fused to form a single cell diploid condition is called a zygote. This process is called fertilization. Next one, cleavage, a rapid mitotic division of the zygote which converts the single cell. A rapid mitotic divisions of the zygote which converted into single cells. This is a cleavage, a division, cleavage or a divisions. Zygote into a multicellular structures is called blastocyst. Yeah, two gametes fusions is called fertilization. So after fertilization, formations of zygote, a single cells zygote which converted to single cells into a zygote, a multicellular structure is called blastocyst or embryo. A zygote furtherly undergo a mitotic cell divisions and form a multicellular structures is called embryo. In this process is called blastocyst, or formation cells is called blastocyst. Next one, implantation. Attachments of the blastocyst to the uterine wall. The uterus is a inner organs of the or organs of a female reproductive systems. It is a site of fetus development. Uterus is a site of fetus development. The zygote furtherly undergo a mitotic division and form a blastocyst. The blastocyst attached to the uterine wall is called implantation. Implantation is an important 2-mark question. What is implantation? Attachments of the blastocyst in the uterine wall is called implantation. Next one, placentation. Formation of placenta, which is the intimate connection between the fetus and the uterine wall of the mother for exchange them nutrient. It is a connective tissue between the fetus and uterus. Between the fetus and uterus. It helps to exchange the nutrients from mother to fetus. It is a placenta. Next one, gastrulation. So process by which blastocyst is changed into gastrula, which 3 primary germ layer. A multicellular structure is called blastocyst. This blastocyst is changed into gastrula with 3 primary germ layers. Already you learned in 3 primary germ layers, say ectoderms, endoderms and mesoderms. This germ layers is helps to the formations of organs. This process is called gastrulation. Next one, organogenesis. Formations of the organs or tissues is called organogenesis in a 3 germ layer. Organogenesis is nothing but formations of organs is called organogenesis. Next one, partitions. Explosions of the fetus from the mother's womb is called partitions. Partitions is otherwise called childbirth. So expressions of the fetus from the mother's womb is called partitions. So partitions is otherwise known as a childbirth. This is the basic steps or basic events involving in the human reproductive system. Then next we discuss about in human reproductive system in male. The functions are carried out by the primary and accessory reproductive organs. The primary reproductive organs is namely the ovary and testes are responsible for the productions of ovum and sperm respectively. Hormones secreted by the pituitary glands and the gonads helps in the developments of the secondary sexual characters, maturations and the reproductive systems and regulations of the normal functions of the reproductive system. The accessory organs helps in transport and to sustain the gametes and to nutrients the developing offsprings. The human reproductive systems is consist of majorly 2 types of organs. First one is primary organ and accessory organs. The primary organs is ovary and testes. Ovary found in female, testes found in male. Both are the primary reproductive organ or primary reproductive organ system. It's the major role in formations of gametes like sperm and ovum or egg. The accessory organs helps to the transport and sustain the gametes and nutriting to development. It is a accessory functions of the accessory organ. Next we move to human reproductive system in male. Okay, we see the next class in human reproductive organ in male. Thank you.